Star Tours announces the boarding of the Endor Express. All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
R2, light speed to Endor!
Hey everybody, welcome to the Bach channel. Check this out, Star Wars Galaxy Edge. If you guys remember, the first vlog I did was the breaking ground, but look at it now. About another year, next, I guess, summertime, 2019, this will open up. I can't wait to check this out. And then also, let's go inside the park and check out the brand new entrance where you actually go in from Frontierland. So let's go check it out. Come on. And right here on the bridge, when you cross the bridge, right here next to Big Thunder Mountain, you go right over here, you'll see the two entrances for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge right here. Check it out.
What are the people in the suits having out?
This is the first entrance as you're walking through Frontierland, and it's to the left. And you come right over here, and that's the new bridge for the train. Check this out. This is pretty cool. That's awesome. Perfect timing. That should be a conductor. But look, check this out. This is the first entrance as you're coming through Frontierland. That's awesome. Kind of reminds me of Cars Land, that area. But look at this. And then the other entrance is right over here. If you walk this way, and if you pass this up and you keep walking, the other entrance is, if you're coming from Fantasyland, is going to be on the right side if you're coming in that way. But if you continue on and you decide to pass this entrance up, you can go to the other one, which is pretty cool. So it looks like this one will be the main one. And then if you go over here, you got this section over here where if you guys remember the goats and all the petting zoo and the barbecue place, used to be like right over here. And then you got like all this brand new stuff. But let's check out the entrance. It's pretty cool cave work right here. The rock work. I mean, it's pretty cool. And you got like some of the Thunder Mountains right there. But yeah, you got like this entrance right here. So yeah, actually, you know what? Don't quote me on that, but I'm not too sure which main entrance is what. If this one is, or the other one. Look at this one. Check that out. As if you're coming, this looks like it'd be the exit if you're coming, but who knows? You know, if you would go through it the correct way, they might use this part as the exit as you're going to Frontierland. And this is pretty cool. Look at that. Yo, stagecoach. Wed, huh? Walter Elias Disney. That's pretty cool. Awesome. But yeah, here's the other entrance, right under the other railroad track. That's pretty cool. Yeah. It's a new prop. Was this here before? As I don't remember. Looks like the old props from the old ride when Walt Disney was here. It's like a little cave. A wonder ride. It's pretty cool. It's all brand new. And then right over here is the entrance to Fantasyland.